the compounding portion. It's just fun, like getting to work hands-on and just learning about the different medications and how to put it all together.
Overall, I think it's really informative about healthcare law and stuff, which was something I didn't really know about going into this. Learning about USP regulations or schedules for drugs, that sort of thing has been really helpful. Especially when I was working in retail pharmacy. Now I'm working in hospital pharmacy, but yeah.
I'd say my favorite thing that I've learned is like about all the syringes and the vials and all the different medication.
My favorite part of the Pharm Tech program is probably the clinicals. They are really immersive and fun. You learn a lot, especially if you struggle with the online part. When you come here, it really wraps it up for you.
Yeah, I think that if pharmacy is something that you are interested in, that you should definitely give it a go. The instructor, Jamie, she's been really great at helping out with everything, and it's really just a fun program.
Come in with like an open mind, and also, be ready to, pace yourself well. I think that's the most important thing, because you have to realize that all these classes are cumulative and they all build up to that certification exam at the end. So take them one at a time, but also keep in mind that the stuff you learn in one class will be applied to like the later ones later on. So take notes and pace yourself well.
My advice would be to come here because all the teachers are very involved and they help.
It is tough. It's not easy, especially being online. You'd think it'd be a little bit easier than going to classes every day. But it's worth it, and it is fun. And all of it will pay off in the end.